crafters. Welcome into Guys Craft 2 and Merry Christmas. How awesome that today is Christmas Day. And I appreciate that you're giving me just a few minutes of your Christmas morning. I hope that you woke up to some amazing things. I can tell you I did not wake up to snow, which is amazing and makes me very happy. As much as I think ideally, how cool it would be to have snow on Christmas morning. In Phoenix, Arizona, not so much. And I'll be honest, I moved out here because I absolutely love the weather. We've been in the 80s for many days in the month of December, which just makes me laugh because my daughter's like, Dad, you're killing me. The kids have been out, already missed like 7-8 days of school back in Virginia because they've had so much snow this year so early. So just crazy. But with that, all that said, we are on day 25 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We are on the final gift. I will say overall, I've been super pleased with this box, especially I think they did a lot of things to kind of step up the box. They did some things for me that are a miss, but at the end of the day, you also have to calculate. They're trying to take 25 days and appeal to an audience across the world, across skill levels, across interest, but yet we all share that same theme in that. So overall, I have been really pleased with this box. I had thought about not getting the box in 25, but I have no idea what I'm going to do in 26, and I have to decide, right? Because they'll have the pre-orders out in the next couple of days. But with that said, let's look at our final gift from Missouri Star Quilt. And it makes a lot of noise. It's got wooden pieces. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear all that rattling going on, but let's take a look at what is in here. Oh, wow, guys, this is pretty impressive, right? So, of course, everything has to be branded with the Missouri Star Quilt, which is just really cool in itself, right? But this is a Mary Sew Round Spinning Tool Caddy. Store and access your favorite quilting tools, thread spools, and notions with ease. And so it shows you how to put this together. Comes with all the wooden pieces. And guys, I will have to say, I really like this. I like the idea. If you can't see, you probably can't, but I have all my stuff stashed over back here on poor Hercules when he's not in use. Then it kind of gets moved over here to Jake when Jake's in use. And I have all these drawers here that I can keep stuff in, and even have it in baskets and that, right? But I think this would really be cool to have it just sit here on the corner for me to be able to access it, right? So it's got threads, it's got needles. I mean, just look at all this. So the last couple of years, right, they gave us the carrying cutting pouch that turned into be an art. So I know they had some misses with what they considered the big gift in 24 and 23. Mine were fine. I was careful enough with how to use them that I never had any issue, but I really think this is a cool gift. And I really kind of like the fact that they left it in the natural wood colors. Oh, it's even got a Lazy Susan on the bottom, guys. So overall, I could not be more happy with this gift. For me, in such a tight area with everything that I've got going on, it will definitely be put to use. So I will get this put together. You will probably see that coming out in the future, but I couldn't be happier for day 25. So guys, Merry Christmas. Thanks for dropping in this morning, giving me a little of your time. If you're available, please jump over to the Holiday Quilting Bee that we will be doing in a few hours. We try to get together from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on national holidays, and Christmas Day being one of those. So if you're able to give us a little time this morning and be on that Holiday Quilting Bee, that's awesome. If not, you can always catch the replay. But I do appreciate that you dropped in and listened to me open and unbox our final gift from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. It's hard to believe that this day, that this unboxing is over for another 11 months, right? So hope you are having an amazing Christmas morning. Hope Santa was good to you. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.